how to find the best Turo promo code. Now, Turo is actually the world's largest peer-to-peer car sharing marketplace, which is often described as the Airbnb of cars. Before you go ahead and choose any car that you would like to rent and pay for the actual price, I'm going to help you out stretch it down by using a promo code. Open up your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, when it comes to this, my always go-to website is going to be Coupon Follow. All the coupons and promo codes from here are totally free as long as it is still valid. So go to search for a store and type in Turo and it should be on the very first result. Now in here you could choose between 10% off, $100 off, and so on and so forth. Choose what you would like to have, copy the code, and then place it on your payment area on Turo. And that is how you find the best Turo promo code.